even reduced when they were engaging the enemy, fighting the enemy. There was a commissar in the unit who was responsible for logistics. That fighter, he was given a bag in knapsack. Military, they call it a knapsack. The tins, about condensed milk and so and so. He was given almost 22 of them. So he was a commissar responsible for logistics, carrying an AK, wearing a combat with the unit, and Ernesto Che Guevara was the commander of the unit. This fighter, at some stage, what decided to pull up, he condensed milk in the container A1, look at Abapuza, fine, he did that. As they were advancing towards what you call the military barrack, the former Batista, what you call military unit, they were very exhausted. Now Chair is asking, where's the logistics? Then that fellow years later. Now, when they come, they find out that there are 2 things missing. And these guerrillas are exhausted. They must go and penetrate a strategic area, and they're hungry. And the food that they have is only these ones. They have opted for condensed milk to sustain their glucose and so and so. Now, this man has showered 2 of them. Now, Che Guevara called a meeting of the section of the unit of these guerrillas and to say, Chief, what happened with the 2? Because your bag was sealed. He was so honest. He said, I ate them. Now, Ernesto Che Guevara asked him a question. Tell us, is the revolution safe in your hands? He wanted to make a justification. Then Che Guevara put him in front of the unit. In the interest and in defense of the revolution, you don't deserve to live. He shot him with an immediate effect. And the revolution continued. So I'm talking about revolutionary assets. Now, whenever you can be deployed as a branch treasurer, deployed as what, don't eat the money of the revolution, because it will catch up with you. It will catch up with you. You know, just to make a silly statement, the organization currently is involved in making audit and what. You find out that the fighters like Uma province, we are saying, give us the receipts of what you have been doing. They don't have them. They are telling us stories, closing phones. We ought to fly to go to his house to say, Baba. I'm in the province, when we sit in town, receipts. We don't ask anything. We want to put, no, but you must know, if you don't provide receipts, as the organization, we are going to open a case, you will get arrested because of Uchonje into a revolution. Because we want each and every stool, a memory stick. We want it where it is that memory stick. Even the books, when you see them, I'm accounting, which I had 3,000 books, how many they were sold, where is the money, and so forth. So if when I decide to be revolutionary, you can go to service David or way counter-revolutionary and bring that as what you call component back. In page 100, yes, leader.